Hi, welcome to DIY for Beginners by PK. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like what we're doing, and thumbs up. Yeah, I keep notifications on because I've got some fantastic videos coming out over the next few months, few years. Today we're going to be looking at changing the UPVC door in an existing property. So let's get on with it. All right. Okay, here we go, PVC door. Let's get it all out of the packaging. Make sure you take it all out of the packaging. Check all the parts, check it for scratches, because once you fit it, obviously you're responsible for all the scratches and everything else. If anything's missing, you won't be able to put the door on. Alright? Hi, welcome to DIY for Beginners or PK. Today we're going to be changing the door, timber door to a PVC door. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so put the door for the hinges. I used a crowbar. Okay, straight off on both sides. All right, and then for the frame. Okay, so take the frame out after you take the door off. All right. Alright, put it somewhere safely. Alright, get you. Right. Okay. Alright, and pull that out. Try and keep the reveal intact on the outside. This will make good anyway. Alright. Okay, so you've had your fun taking your door out. Okay, so make sure everything's clear. Well, this one here at the moment, they put the door on the outside originally, okay? So that's where it's going to be going back. Alright. Okay, so you've had your fun taking it out. Now you've got to put it all back together. Let's go. Okay, so put your door into place. Okay, this is a bit tight, this one. Alright, all the corners, make sure it's level. Alright. Alright, get it as square as you can in the frame. Temporary, okay. And then you're ready to fix. Alright, so fix the handles on and the lock in place, like we got on our other video. Alright, and deal with beginners with PK. Alright, put that on, alright, with the lock in place, and then we're ready to fix the rest. Alright, so it's about 6 inches up, that'll be on the first fixing. Put that at the bottom, say on the one side where you want it to be solid, okay? And drill through with your metal bit, because you've got your reinforcement in your door, okay? And then drill through your metal bit. Alright. Just you will put the 4-inch fixing, 100mm fixing, okay? 7.5, and then drill straight into the blockwork, and it'll screw into the block end for you, alright? Okay, so put your screw in place, alright, it's a 4-inch cutter screw for concrete screws, okay, alright, so I'll drill straight in. And a well-deserved cup of tea at this time, I think so. Okay, so another one from about 6 inches from the top, alright, same as the one at the bottom. Okay, so fix the top one, alright, about 6 inches down from the top. Okay, your cordless, screw that in place, alright. Okay, secure. Alright, top one. You need two in here, alright, so you need another one here, another one there, so 4 either side, okay? That's important, alright? Okay, so another cup of tea, alright? Important that is.
We had the other day.
Okay, so 4 fixings, make sure you put, like we just said, 4 fixings on this side, okay? And 4 fixings on the other side. Alright, fix them up secure. Okay, and do the bottom, 6 inches on the bottom, and the other 2 ones in there. Alright. Okay. Alright, fix the last one, so you've got 4 on either side. Okay. Yeah. Put your screws in. Alright. Okay, after you've done that, alright, adjust the hinges inside. I'll show you where the hinges are now. Just in that hole there is an Allen key hole inside, and adjust it, it'll go sideways, left and right, and adjust it then to let the door close. Okay, so once you've fixed your, okay, now we just fix the frame into the 4 positions, 4 on either side, alright, and adjusted the hinges inside, we just showed you with the Allen key, alright, so you adjust it so that just shuts nicely. Alright, so shut like that. It shouldn't be shutting on its own. If it's shut on its own, it's not level. Okay. But with these doors, you know, you might get manufacturing faults where the locking mechanism is. Okay. So what you'll have to do is basically, if there's something wrong, you'll know when you're closing it. As you push the lock up, okay, it won't lock. The key won't lock. So what you'll do is take off the plates. All right. And the process of elimination, right? Put them back, and is it locking? Yeah. So you know then that if there's one receiver plate, that's the problem. All right. So that's where we are. So now it's just sealing all the door up. Okay. All right. So once you've done that, make sure you take all the protection off. Okay. We don't leave it on, because if you don't take the protection off and leave it on for a long time, the sun gets at it and it sticks, and it's a nightmare to get off. It takes hours and hours to get off. Yeah. All right. So I think it's time for a cup of tea and a cake. All right. There we have UPVC door. We just fitted. Yeah. That haven't been sealed or trimmed yet, but that'll be another program. All right. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Bye. All right. So mastic seal all the way around the frame at the bottom, and leave it overnight. All right. Let it set. Ready for making good. All right.